stories of glories. In the darkest dilemma of the 60s, under the cunning, incessant insults of evangelical missionaries, emerged a self-made Dai, Deedat, a stalwart of Dawah, infused a stubborn and burning flame of desire to retaliate, to counteract the false propaganda. An icon. From a sixth grader to a monumental achiever, set Dawah on a different level. Drove many to be ambassadors of Islam. He is Shaikh Ahmed Deedat, world-renowned orator on Islam and comparative religion.